っちゃ簡単に入る。てかもう、このスピードっすよ。はい、終わりです。はい、いや。
PISCO for livestock industry. You can reduce setup time by updating your piping. Let's see how you can improve piping efficiency with right fitting. The piping used for livestock water supply is changing. More and more operations are moving to push-in fitting piping systems. PISCO push-in fitting series is adopted for various water piping systems, including in pig barns, chicken coops, or for fine mist cooling. PISCO fittings are preferred for one key reason: they make piping installation easier and more efficient. Let's take fine mist cooling installation as an example and compare the piping labor required for PVC piping versus piping with push-in fitting. First, PVC piping. With PVC piping, installing a single fitting requires 8 steps. Completing piping for 10 fittings took approximately 15 minutes. Next, piping with push-in fitting. Installing a single push-in fitting requires only 4 steps. Completing piping for 10 fittings took approximately 5 minutes. Compared to PVC piping, the process steps are reduced by 50%, and installation time drops to nearly 1/3. On-site feedback. Push-in fitting. Case study. Here's feedback from a livestock equipment manufacturer that adopted PISCO push-in fitting for installing drinking cups in pig barns.
今までは正直その違う部材を使ってるんですよね。僕らが取り付ける工程が大幅に減りました。取り付ける側としてはとても取り付けやすかったです。これはもう正直な話。取り付けやすかったです。5年10年使っていったらやっぱ不備が出ることもあると思うんです。そういう時は多分ここの社員さんたちが自分たちで修理をする、調整するがあると思うんです。メーカーが来なくても自分たちでできるんじゃないかな。すごい分かりやすいいい作りじゃないかなと思います。
Here's what makes our fittings stand out. First, tube installation and removal can be done easily without any tools. Second, it is compatible with water applications. PISCO's uniquely designed sealing gasket prevents internal leaks, allowing for safe, reliable flow of water. Third, no thread seal tape is needed. The threads are pre-applied with sealing compound, eliminating the need for additional tape. Faster piping starts with easy tube handling. Experience PISCO fittings for yourself.